Hi, this is Lou's Clean Eats, a vegan channel, and for anyone interested in gluten-free and sugar-free recipe ideas. Today, my niece Ava will be helping me, and we are going to make...
we're making biscuits.
We are. We're going to make sugar-free, gluten-free, white chocolate biscuits. Excited? And Ava is going to eat all of them.
No,
Make
I'm eating some as well.
So we've got Ava on board today because I am trying to encourage Ava and younger audiences to think about and be interested in healthier, cleaner eating, sugar-free and vegan recipes. So I couldn't think of anyone better than Ava to join us on our vegan, gluten-free and sugar-free journey. So thank you, Ava, for getting involved. All right, anything you want to add? Excited? Yeah, looking forward to eating all the cookies? Yeah.
Not all of them. I'm not eating all of them, but I'll probably eat those.
You probably will eat those, yeah, me too. That's all good.
I'll probably have some at night time.
No, not at night time. It's naughty. Stick with us until the end for the taste test, and we'll let you know whether it's any good or not.
Yeah.
Are you going to do the taste test?
Yeah. So you.
We both do the taste test.
Yeah. Because
Right then.
I want to try some.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, we need 1 cup of gluten-free flour. Yeah, that's plenty.
Wait, that's the spoon.
And then just flatten it over. So that's our cup of gluten-free flour.
Tip that in, okay.
1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. That's it. And then sort of shake it all over. All over. We need some salt.
Salt.
1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Yeah. And then yeah, just a few grinds with that.
Next, you need to stir it. This is fun. Let's add the maple syrup.
So 2 tablespoons. Pour some maple syrup in there. Not too much, not too much, not too much.
Maybe not.
Yeah, it comes out really fast.
If yours is like this, be careful. Like tip in.
Yeah, of course.
Because I think I'll be good with that. Good with the tipping in, but...
So the reason we're using maple syrup and not sugar is because it's a natural sweetener and it's refined sugar free, which is better for us. Little Ava.
We all love maple syrup.
We all love maple syrup.
In this house anyway.
Coconut oil, 2.5 tablespoons. Do you know what we need to do with that? We need to melt it. What we can do, Ava, is put some vanilla extract in there while we're waiting. 1/2 teaspoon. So again, that comes out really fast. Good girl, well done. Yep, that's good. And then we just
Pour it in.
sort of shake it around.
Shake it around everywhere.
Yeah.
So you get it.
A nice even. Okay, hold it there a sec. I'm just gonna keep it upright. Like that. Okay, that's 1.
And now, second one.
2.
Right.
And 1/2. Yeah. And then you can chop that in. Alright. And then nice and careful so that we end up with a nice cookie dough. Right, so Avery, what we've got to do is chop up 1/2 cup of vegan white chocolate. You feel confident using a sharp knife. So when you
I always confident.
keep your hands up on the top, not underneath.
I'm definitely
Listening, watching. So hold it one hand, the other one pushes down. That's it. Just as long as your fingers stay well away from the underneath the knife, it's all good.
Oh, can't do it. It's weird being on telly and stuff like this.
Funny, isn't it?
Social media.
Social media stuff. Sit careful with that knife, sweetheart.
I can't.
And that should be roughly a cup. Good girl.
Should I put it in now?
Yeah, go for it. Mix it in, Ava. Yeah. Nice and gently so we don't chuck any
Like
of the
you are
mixture out.
terrible with mixing.
Like me, yeah. Okay. Here you are. That's for you.
Can I put it in my mouth? Helen. Well, this is actually not vegan chocolate.
That's vegan chocolate.
What the heck?
I know, right? Just as good.
So, if you've been following us correct, it should look like this.
Parchment paper like that.
And
Let's get all these little bits that way. Bear with. We're gonna use.
Bear with.
Okay, I'm gonna do this with my one.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Look.
Make little blobs. Little mini cookie blobs. I reckon. What do you reckon? Like that.
With your cookies, you can make them whatever shape. You can have them bigger if you want, but we're making minis.
Nice. Yeah, it works if you squidge it together, actually. Like that. And then pop them on. So they look all nice. If you do a row here, I'll do some row here.
Okay, so I need a proper spoon.
Do you want a better spoon?
Yeah, I want one like that.
Okay. Bear with. I shall retrieve
Bear with.
a good spoon for you.
Is this good?
Like that. You want them to be cookie shaped, not
Flat.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah, because they don't change shape much, I don't think. Don't stress.
Oh, I'm rubbish.
You're not, you're awesome. Just keep trying. No one's good at anything the first time.
It's good.
Yeah.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Look, a croissant.
Does it look like a croissant?
Wait, I'm gonna make mine croissant shaped. So I'm like, so it's like I'm eating a croissant.
Well done.
We're making a good pudding. And if you want to have it for pudding, like any sweet treat, you're welcome. Go. I know, the croissant.
They're little mini sausages.
I'm making a little mini croissant.
Sausage cookie.
Yeah, I'm making croissant cookies.
I like it.
Do you like my croissant cookies with big, gigantic chunks of chocolate?
Love your croissant cookies.
You can make them like loaves or little croissant cookies.
Perfect. Well done. Done. That's it. Nice one.
Oh my god.
Well done, Ava.
Oh, there's still more in here. I can't get hot.
You'd never get it all out. Oh, I'm just going to nick that bowl.
It smells good even though it's not baked. I think I know which one is the perfect one.
Alright, Ava. What you got there then?
These are our cookies that we made.
Oh, they look lovely. Well done.
Yeah, I made the croissants.
Yeah, yours are the croissants. They look very cool. Cookie croissants.
I made more than you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You made 6. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Does that mean you get more cookies?
Yeah.
That worked out well. Just a tiny bit. Perfect. Hold it there. Yeah, yummy. When you're ready.
I can't pick these up. I've got big mitts.
Good girl.
It's gonna be
Just watch what you're doing.
Oh.
You can do it, one. Just chuck it in.
Or
Put it in a bit and I'll
Fine,
I'll
throw
push
it.
it up. No, it's alright. You'll be alright. And then we just put it in like that. Well done. And then you can shut the door. Yeah.
So now it's all done, but there's going to be more afterwards. So
Now we wait.
keep following us until the end, and we'll be good. Okay, so now for the taste test.
Should we put those on the plate?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done.
Here,
A bit higher?
here are the cookies.
A bit higher?
Here are the cookies.
Hang on, let me focus. Yeah, there we
Here are
go.
the cookies, and
Well done, Ava.
they are good. So I think we might be able to eat them now. So
Okay, let's try the
try
cookie.
them.
Mm. Not bad.
Not bad.
I would say They're nice and sweet, but not too sweet. Taste the vanilla chocolate. And the cookies, they've almost got a shortbread taste about them, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, I think they're quite nice because the chocolate taste is really good, and the mixture of the vanilla and chocolate and stuff goes really well with the biscuit. Yeah, and I think the chocolate tastes nice with the sort of shortbready tasty.
Yeah, I agree.
Quite
really tasty. Do you think they're okay even though they're vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free? You would eat these? Yeah, okay, awesome. We did a good job. Yeah. All right.
And high five to you.
We hope you enjoy your vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan white chocolate cookies as much as we enjoy ours.
In the night we stay, sparkling stars will guide us. Ooh, we find our way. In this night we'll play.
So what do you like vegetable-wise?
Broccoli.
Cool. What else?
Sweet corn.
Did you say something about avocados?
I don't like avocados, but I only like a bit of it. But
What fruits do you like?
I like tomatoes and strawberries, and raspberries and stuff like
Bananas?
yeah, bananas.
Yes. Well done, Ava. So you're going to try and eat more fruit and vegetables in your diet?
Just more fruit. Because I only have one vegetable that I like. One.
Are you
But
going
Mum makes me all the other ones.
That's good. Yeah, that's good.